symbolic gesture that mind presents. As we light this lamp today, wisdom and prosperity within each.
First time, these two brilliant students, आज मैं इनका autograph लूंगा because they are actual celebrity. So they represented the state. They won silver and bronze medal for the state. Now they are going to represent India in World Skill from 10 to 15 September in Laos, France.
And rounding our cast with the exceptional performances are Samit Bhujel as Banko, Pema Sherpa as the first witch, Marilyn Lepcha as the second witch, and Rinchen Ongmo Sherpa as the third witch.
Congratulate two of your girl students, Miss Radhika Chhetri and Miss Krishna Kumari Mukhya Sunwar. For both of them have won laurels, as he mentioned, not only for the university but the entire state of Sikkim. They have done it in the category of health and social care. And this is a very important inspiration for all of us. It shows that the small but beautiful state of Sikkim, the students can also achieve excellence. They can reach heights. When you can win it at India Skills, and we pray to God that you win it at World Skills competition as well. Give them a big round of applause. Radhika Chhetri and Krishna Kumari Sunwar. A round of applause from your heart.
It is a part of the academic curriculum where all the practical courses are treated as a part of competition. So, all the students have to participate compulsorily.
From the reliable sources is what makes the entire information credible and valid. So this is very important that on this occasion when we have.
Luckily, we got one visionary PM who gave us the gift, National Education Policy 2020. So, if you go through that NEP document, it itself covers.
Everybody is fortunate to get through. So, what about those students? And how do you see being in this position, which you already know that not everybody, like there were so many who were with you when they started the journey, and how many are there living their dreams by not being a part of you in the system. So how would you guide them through today so that they just don't be dependent on that one area? They should focus. But what are the options that they should always keep in mind when they are, choosing their career path?
It's a very good question. Friends, now please understand, she says that if everybody wants to be in the top of a domain which he or she likes. Very good. Nothing wrong about it. But you have to that at 20 you will be Mark Zuckerberg. Everybody will not be Mark Zuckerberg. Let's also be very clear. When we give examples, so what you do is, some genius person at 15, some Beethoven could create that music at a young age. Some Sachin Tendulkar could join Indian cricket team at let's say 15, 16, but every cricketer will not join at 15, 16. So, you can aspire to be an IPS, but your feet also should be on the ground. For example, if you love the defense forces, Is IPS the only defense force? The answer is no. You have the army, you have the air force, you have the navy. Supposing you are interested in a uniformed services, you have paramilitary forces like the CRPF, the BSF, the ITBP, the SSB. There are exams. Then there are different ranks. Let's talk about Sikkim Police. We have 3 different ranks of recruitment: constable, sub-inspector, DYSP. There comes my connection to dignity of labor. Now we'll say, constable ta ma hudaina. Ma ta kaha hunchu constable? Are? We need constables today who are the most educated, because they are the ones who are going to talk to you in public. So my constable is going to be 10th class pass. बोल्नु पनि जान्दैन, पढ्नु पनि जान्दैन, जीडी लेख्नु पनि जान्दैन, केस रजिस्टर गर्नु पनि जान्दैन, तपाईको केसेस उसले डिल गर्छ भने, the moment you think that there is dignity of labor attached to every post, I'll be a good constable. Naturally, you have 1,000 vacancies. Sub-inspectors, okay, I'll be a good sub-inspector, 30 vacancies, 50 vacancies. DYSPs, 5 vacancies. हैन, म IPS मात्रै हुन्छु. So कि IPS हुन्छु के केही हुँदैन. So many of you may just be frustrated throughout your life. See, there are these different levels which you have to achieve. Nice to have high dreams, nothing wrong. But your feet has to be on the ground. First grab what you are getting. Grab it. You at least have something in your hand. A bird in hand is better than 2 in bush. My focus is on...
You're asking me about the kind of
Awareness.
education,
Yes.
awareness about
Transformation.
the options
Yes.
that are available to them, right? Yeah, so media serves the society, and for media to be good and effective, the society has to support the media. So I come from a generation, as does Mr. Sachdeva, I think, where we had publications like Competition Success or Career and Competition magazines that were employment news even, which were these publications that carried everything about the courses you could take, the colleges and kind of education that was available. Now print is dead. So you don't have those. So you have to rely on...
I want to tell you, I don't want to talk much because lot of lectures have been given on AI and NEP. So you just get the gist of it. कर्म वह फूल है जो मनुष्य को हर हाल में काटना ही पड़ता है. कर्म वह फल है जो मनुष्य को हर हाल में काटना ही पड़ता है. इसलिए सदैव जीवन में अच्छे बीज बोए. What is अच्छे बीज? That what you practice in your life. That is the good seed, the best seed in your life. आर्थिक स्थिति में कितनी भी अच्छी हो जीवन, जीवन का सही आनंद लेने के लिए मानसिक स्थिति अच्छी होनी चाहिए. Your thinking should be positive. You should not lag behind. Artificial intelligence, अब के गर्ने, अब यो भयंकर चीज आयो, अत्तालिनु हुँदैन. किन? यो त हाम्रै दिमागको कमाल हो नि त. किन डराउने? अगाडि बढ, अगाडि बढ. You shall be the winner. Thank you.
Problem to show that they can share everything to the teachers. So to build the
are always right. Listen to them. Just focus. That's all I have to say.
Very rightly said.
Navi Skills University, Radhika Chetri and Krishna Kumari Mukhya Sumban won state level winners in health and social care in the Skill India competition.
The cat shown resilience, courage, and school where each and every student, from registering in the competition to training them and making them believe that they can do it and from conducting English classes to taking extra lessons and giving that confidence, they have done it all. Without them, it would not be possible to see this day. So congratulations to the entire team once again.
We have Ms. also in the fundamentals of digital applications. In the award winner, physiology applied, we have Ram digital marketing skills. We have Ms. Suvanjali Sarma for case. We have data management with spreadsheet. And the winner is Ram Bahadur Tiwari. We have another skills, marketing skills, and the winner are Simran Kumari and Aviskar Giri. We have another skills, business correspondence, and the winner is Suvanjali Sarma. Request everyone to give a huge round.
Generation towards. Thank you so much. Young minds and belief in us.